Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new series called Music Theory Lessons. Yes, music theory. And today we are going to approach it in the simplest possible way, by learning how to count. That's right, we are starting from the absolute beginning, like before the beginning. Our goal today is very ambitious. We are going to count from 0 to 11. This exercise also includes one of the most essential skills in music theory, counting from 1 to 8. As for 9 to 15, that's clearly advanced material. We'll save that for the next lesson. Alright, let's practice counting together. I recommend saying it out loud. It really helps with learning. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic. You have now mastered the most fundamental prerequisite of music theory. If you found this part difficult, I strongly recommend seeking help from another professional. We usually use this method to determine how many semitones apart two notes are. As for counting intervals, that's a problem for the next lesson. Alright, see you next time. Bye. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like,
subscribe and share. See you next one.